This is a Chevy. We just changed the oil. Oh, we're recording.
What happened? Airflow sensor?
Truck no start.
No airflow sensor.
Truck no run. Truck run, truck die.
All
Alright, guys.
Vinny, stop bouncing that ball.
Hey, shut it off. See, the funny thing is, we came up with this title right here. Oil change going wrong. Nothing even went wrong. But now,
Hey, try it again. Just try it again.
maybe you're just cycling it through.
Yeah. It's that fresh. It's that
It's that fresh oil.
that race going on.
Good? Hold on one second, let it run a little.
Hold on.
Hey, leave it. Oh yeah, they tried unplugging the air sensor. They thought that would be funny.
We already told him it's fine.
Is we good, you think?
Yeah, you're good.
Hey, see if your four-wheel works. See if your four-wheel drive works.
Hunter, come take the camera.
Just like, drive with it. Let's see what happens.
Bring the camera. Bring the camera. Popped. What is it?
Come see? See, in a future video, if I get a sponsor, see this right here, this line? For every sponsor I get, I'll cut that length off of my exhaust.
Nah, it's not your exhaust.
Zip ties sponsor him.
Is Zip Ties the brand or what they are?
Where's your charger at?
Am I wrong?
Where at?
Under my desk on the extension cord. Hey, bruh, who said you couldn't drive my truck? Headliners, sponsor me. Leave him. Leave him. It's okay. No, turn back in. See, I have a... Yeah, you told me to put it in 4. So guys, we got a lot of problems with it. It's my truck. We got a lot of problems with it. Check engine light always on. Next video, we inspecting it. And cut to this clip of the truck rolling off the ramps and almost killing Caden.
Hey, bro, you got the footage? You got it?
Pops was on the but I did get Minute Maid Fruit Punch. Sponsor me.
It literally has a P on it. Hold the thing. Hold the face. That's where the traits come in. Again, a warning. Black hole yard. You got that yet? No! What? I was hoping it was fucking fire.
Slide that back under.
Problem? It's in the bumper. We're just gonna need a jacket.
It doesn't matter. Turn it off. You'll be able to turn the parking brake on later. You'll be fine, Hunter.
Is it sitting in the bottom of the park? Like, did it roll back?
Yeah, but even start around the parking light deal.
Is there no parking light?
Yeah, you got that parking light. Oh, I forgot.
God,
No,
The handbrake.
It's all the way up? Yeah. Oh, I think my dad called me.
he threw your pool noodle. That's fine. We'll use that thing later.
Hey, open the hood.
That hurts. I need a second hand. Unplug his math with it. That's right here. No. No? Oh, yeah, you're right. I don't know where it is. Huh? Dude, perfect. Let me just do that right now.
What?
I can't get it.
Again?
I can't get it.
What's up, girl?
I think it's on there.
Oh, you wet.
Yeah, it is. Just keep this fine.
So what you wet for?
Alright.
Look at this. Where the pipe connects now? Look at that.
Oh. He's losing air.
Oh, look.
He's losing her
Look at
spurs.
this connection right here.
Hey, alright, let's start getting
That's the why I think so slow.
let's start getting some stuff done.
I think this thing should be a little rocket ship.
What?
How low is it?
Twist the handle. Twist.
Which way?
Just twist.
Left.
Aha. Then you broke it. It's not going down.
No, it is. Maybe we should have got you to stand on it before we try to put it underneath me.
What?
Because it probably would have gone down lower. Shop dog.
You know you a shop dog now?
Dude, the cinematic on iPhone looks so good.
I never tried it.
Move.
Find that stick in there.
Oh, it's cracking.
That's just
He sent a piston through it already.
Hold on.
That's hot, yeah, it's hot. Is it a dot right there?
You can't see.
That's the max one, isn't it?
All right, let's find out where this.
No, but like I said, both of them.
How do I check?
Or is it just clips?
You check the what?
What happened?
I dropped the fill cap down in the frame. It's down there.
It's down there?
It's right there.
Dude, tell me this.
Bennett, get the yeah.
How would you get it? We could jack it up.
We can jack it up, then put it on there.
Oh, the LA outside? What? LA outside?
No, the big
Oh.
dog.
Hi.
Not
Where that? On the skid plate.
She's eating your
Huh?
cat's
He doesn't know what that is.
She's eating your cat's food.
That's alright.
Put your hand up. No, on behind that. On the other side of that.
Start hooking.
On the other side of that.
She's under the car.
That's a cross beam on the other side of that. On the other side of that.
Don't
Literally on the put your hand on the other side of that. Put your hand behind it. Put your hand. Yes, there you go. You see where your head is? Put your hand there. No. Okay, you can, that works, I guess. Hand it to me. It's the last time you're gonna see him.
We might have to free pour this thing. Just hold the funnel while he pours it.
No, there's no reason I need the funnel.
Unless that already, does that count as a funnel?
That's what I'm thinking.
What's up?
Here, cameraman.
I'm
Get
good.
it.
I ate what pizza.
You gotta throw up or something?
No, I don't feel like moving.
That's where the engine. That's where the.
I hope so. Yeah, it is.
Guys,
What?
guys.
What?
Never mind, we left the old filter on. I'm about to say, dude, I let you just filter, dude. I was about to say, you put no filter on, but.
Nah, look, this is what I took off of there. It says engine oil on it.
Got it. Slow it down. It's not overflowing. Yeah, we're good.
No, I'm just saying, how much we got left?
Like about half a bottle.
Oh, look at Ellie.
Oh, she's way down. Top dog has a vacuum.
Whose dog is that?
Shop dog. has evac'd.
How you know her name?
Oh, my dad said it. She's come here before. I think it's that dude that was with the John Deere.
Alright. Throw that dipstick in it. Let's clean it up first.
Start her up. Actually, it will have to circulate a little bit. Pull your rod.
Don't tell my girlfriend.
I am your girlfriend.
I am not gay.
Came up with a new name for her. Penelope.
Penelope. That sucks. Dude, no, Sigourney Weaver.
Sigourney Weaver.
My girlfriend? Or the car?
How do you know your girlfriend's a car?
The car is now Sigourney Weaver. I have no idea who that is. I'll figure it out after this video. Alright, so y'all ready?
Plug it back, everything good. I couldn't get it out. Alright.
There you go.
Oh, we forgot to put the 2-inch exhaust. It's the exhaust power, dude. No, I don't have any sponsors. I don't have any sponsors. Oh, wait. For every sponsor, I'm cutting 2-inch. You only got 1.5 though. What? You only got 1.5.
You know what that is?
There's something wrong with it.
Is there really?
Ain't got no gas. Ain't got no oil in it. I think there's something wrong with it actually. There's not enough zip ties in it.
Really?
Zip ties. Sponsor me.
You had to score out. I don't know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
Whenever he starts moving, I'm gonna put that.
Oh god.
Great prank for the boys. Bro, this thing's like out some fluid.
Oh shit, fuck.
No, it's probably fine.
It's always leaking from right there. I think that's the water.
Yeah, that's AC.
Yeah, we're good.
Dude, that's the sports wrap. Well, that went very interesting. Lee. I don't know if that's a word. But, and yes, look at me. Look at me. You can't put that in there. I am a chunky boy. Okay, you didn't have to. We're gonna blur that out. All y'all need to know is that I'm changing. I'm going to college. We get free gym membership. We got a big gym over there. I'm getting back to that football shape.
Don't lie, you got that limited meal plan.
That may be a part of my tuition fees. That don't matter because we need protein. But anyway, oil change went not as planned. Next time we're gonna get a little bit more in depth. You know, maybe find some misfires in my truck.
I doubt it.
That clicking noise. Hey, We got a lot to learn.
You have a lot.
But
GM Bill Quad.
what?
Say nothing.
My dad has had a Ford. It's not. My truck has had a lot less problems than his 2018 Ford.
You used to love that Ford.
It actually looks great. I agree.
It looks great.
But reliability wise, I'm sorry for it. You're probably not gonna sponsor me for this, but Chevy sponsored me. I'm Chevy all the way, except for the Mustangs.
Maybe if you're going that far, you might as well.
Fords are better.
Might as well just go the whole 9 and ask for a GM sponsor.
It's the same thing.
All right. Well, we're gonna get to swimming. So
Skinny dipping.
You can't say that.
I can.
okay.
Jump in.
Oh. Wait, no, you didn't. No, bro. I don't want to like them to see all my rolls, bro.
Bro, they already seen you rolling.
Go!
Jesus Christ, dude.